Meteorologist Dean Davison, the Weather Pros, liveweatherblogs.com, time for a weather outlook. We're looking into this weekend, into next weekend, and guess what? We are seeing rain, and that's a great thing for the Carolinas and Virginia and our abnormally dry areas that have been suffering from drought conditions. So, going into tonight and tomorrow, some lake effect snow in inland parts of Pennsylvania, off Lake Erie, right along the coast of the thing you might see rain. We have a low pressure off the coast, will cause rain in the Boston area before it moves away. Then the 540 line drops in, so cold temperatures drop into areas such as Roanoke, Delaware Valley. Cold enough to support snow, but snow is not on in the menu there. As 540 line retreats, as the next cold front comes in. This next cold front is good news if you're a fire. If you have fires going on in your state, North Carolina, Virginia, we've really been suffering. A lot of smoke. The 540 line retreats all the way up to Maine, so snow chances when this has the onset are very low. And here we go, rainfall. And guess what? That sticks around and then comes back. We get another low develop. This is a good thing. We need the rain. We're talking about anywhere over a 3-day period, up to 4 inches of rain could occur along the spine of the Appalachians up to the Delaware Valley. So rain is important. It would also usher in cold air to possibly set us up once again for lake effect snow along Lake Erie. But it's starting to change the pattern. And by the time we get, let's go into the date here. Next Sunday, about a week and 2 days. So it's pretty far off, so we can't really believe this. But this has been a couple days that's been showing this. Along the cold air damming will suck into the Roanoke area. We may actually see some snowfall in that area. Will accumulate? Probably not. Maybe a coating, but that's still far away, and we need to watch it. High pressure builds in. We get a little bit of a warming trend. I say a big warming trend for the first part of December. And like I said, this is going to change as we get into mid-December. We're going to get more cold air coming down. And that's going to increase the chances of snow by mid to late month. So please, if you're in the eastern United States, don't give up on the fact that snow is on the way. Because January and February are obviously going to be the best times to possibly get snowfall. But upper Midwest and interior Northeast could see some snow anytime. There'll be a lake effect kind of an event going. In the far Northeast, like I said, along the coast, and anytime you see snow starting doing that cold air damming on the models, that's a good sign that the pattern could be shifting and likely will be shifting into a better pattern for snowfall for the East Coast. So we'll keep an eye on that, because obviously the NAO is starting to go negative a little bit, especially when we get the high pressures up near Greenland. So we'll keep an eye on that. So these high pressure systems will always play into possible blocking situations eventually. So don't go bring our snow, because it will be here sooner than later. Meteorologist Dean Davison, have a great evening and a great weekend. We'll talk to you again later, and think rain here on the East Coast. We need it.